Hi, good morning everyone. This is Sir Mark again, and welcome to the YouTube channel. And so we will continue our lesson of MySQL. So natapos tayo sa basic word clause operations. So ito yung mga operations o sa recap lang. Operations na ginagamit natin like equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and or not, between, tsaka in. So ito yung mga basic common word clause na pag naghahanap sila ng mga condition, ito yung pwede natin gamitin. So let's proceed with the aggregate function. So aggregate function, it is used to aggregate yung mga sample is sum, average, minimum, maximum, and then count. So we will give an example of this. So sir, paano po siya kino-command? So when you are commanding here or gagamitin mo na siya into terminal, you will select anong aggregate function yung gagamitin mo and ano yung data or anong column yung hinahanap. As, gagamitin mo siya ng new name or yung ginagamit na as is for alias. As is for alias. Alias name from what table. So select, ito yung sample query. Select average table salary as average salary from TBL status. So, open natin yung sum first. Yan, naka-start na yung Apache and MySQL. Open ko lang yung shell. And then, MySQL-u root-p. Okay. So, next is show database. Ano yung database na pwede natin gamitin? Si DB lesson. Use DB lesson. And select asterisk from TBL lesson ata to. TBL lesson ba? May pangalan ng table. Show tables. TBL name. Select asterisk from TBL name. Ayan. So these are the tables. This is the table that we can use. Ayan. So gamitin natin siya. We will use the aggregate function. Sir, ano yung ginagawa nung mga aggregate functions na to? So we have the 5. Marami sila, pero ito lang yung ginagamit natin. Gagamitin natin. So sum, average, minimum, maximum, tsaka count. So let's start with the sum. So select and then aggregate function. Gagamit tayo ng sum of age, where lagyan natin ng alias as sum age where from TBL name. Yan. So ano po yung ginawa ng query na to? Select sum average as sum age from TBL name. So kung napansin nyo, nagpalit siya ng alias. Yung alias kasi is binabago niya yung column name. So yung sum age daw is naging sum age na siya. Sum age 285. Anong ginawa nung sum? Inad niya lang lahat yan. So let's try kung equal sila. Calculator. So 19 plus 22 plus 22 plus 35 plus 23 plus 100 plus 21 plus 15 plus 28. So 285. So same ba siya? 285. So same. 285. So ang ginawa niya is sinam niya lang lahat ng values. Sir, pwede ba akong maglagay ng aggregate function na merong condition? Pwede po. So try natin. So select sum age as sum age from table name where yung gusto ko is yung dalawa lang. ID is equal to 1 or ID is less than or equal to 2. Ayan. Less than or equal to 2. So ano lang yung i-average or ano lang yung isasum niya? So yung dalawa lang. Yung dalawang column lang sa taas. Ito. So si 19 plus 22 is 41. So pwede tayong mag-set ng condition habang gumagamit tayo nito. Now, next is kung nakukuha natin yung mga try naman natin si average. Same pa din. Select average, AVG, average edge as average from TBL name where ID is equal to 2. So, same yung gagawin niya. Ang gagawin niya lang naman ngayon is i-add niya and i-divide niya kung ilan. So, dalawa yon. So, dapat dalawa. Magiging 20.50. So, magbibigay na agad siya ng decimal point. So, 19 tsaka 22 is 41. Divided by 2 is 20.5. So, yun yung ginagawa ng aggregate function. So, next is, so, meron tayong sum, meron tayong average. The next is yung minimum tsaka maximum. So, let's have minimum. Select minimum. And minimum age as average from TBL. TBL name. Wag natin lagyan ng condition para mas makita natin. So, select minimum age as minimum from TBL name. So, pag in-enter ko yan, ang sabi dyan is 15. So, hinanap niya kung sino yung merong lowest age. Siya yung mismong minimum. Sino yung minimum dito? Si Chopper. So, si Chopper daw yung merong minimum na age dito. So, siya yun. So, next. What if maximum? Maximum naman is, maximum age natin is 100. So, yung 100, ito po yun. Si Brooke. Nakuha po. So, same lang din yung ginagawa natin. Minimum, maximum. Yan. Yung as is for alias lang yan. Maximum pala dapat. Maximum. Yan. Next, count. Select. Yan. Select age. Count. Sir, yung count is for the numbers lang ba? Like age. Ika-count niya. Ano yung ika-count niya, sir? So, pag in-enter ko yan, meron daw 9 na values. So, from 9 na values, ito po yun. So, 1 to 9. So, meron sang 1 to 9. Yun yung ginagawa ng count. Yung count po, sir, gumagana ba siya sa lahat ng fields? Yes. Kahit hindi siya number. Kahit hindi siya integer. Pag basta kinount mo, ika-count niya kung ilan laman ng table. So, count, name. Meron bang name doon? Name. Yan. So, meron daw 9 sa loob ng name. So, same lang din yung ginagawa. Yan yung 5 aggregate functions na gagamitin natin. So, yung mga question, I will give questions for today for you to review and pakisagutan. What if yung the question is isa-select mo yung name noong merong maximum value. Gusto kong lumabas yung pangalan ng merong maximum value. So, you can try that. Gusto kong makuha yung maximum value and yung minimum value. Sino yung taong yun? Gusto ko lalabas yung pangalan nila. So, let's say for example, di ba ang minimum natin is 15 and then ang maximum natin is 100. So, dapat gusto kong makita yung name ng tao na yun. So, paano mo siya gagawin? Gusto ko yung tao yung makikita ko, hindi yung minimum age nila. Gusto ko yung pangalan ng tao na merong minimum age na 15 and maximum value na 100. So, you can practice that. So, and ibibigay ko sa yung sagot by next meeting or doon sa next video ko siya ipopost para mas madali siyang aralin. So, yun yung unang 2 questions natin for today na pwede nyong itanong sa akin sa FB kung mayroon kayong tanong. So, paano ko malalaman yung minimum age na kung sino to and then maximum age na kung sino tong tao na to. So, yun yung isa-select nyo. Kailangan lumabas yung pangalan na mayroong maximum tsaka minimum. Okay? So, I think that is the lesson natin for today. So, be ready for the next meeting. I will give an activity again for the next meeting. And if you have questions, you can PM me at my Facebook account.